computer says that you don't have permission or that you need to be an administrator. Permissions issues can usually be solved by signing in as an administrator or right-clicking the file and clicking Run as Administrator. Finally did that. And now maybe your computer says file not found, or perhaps command does not exist. You'll still need to run the command necessary for that file. Even if you already just ran npm install, you might have to run some additional package like install material UI or whatever that's missing. And if you've already installed that, you might need to add it to your path or do a global install so you can access it everywhere on your computer. Just look for instructions on that online. The most common thing is making a typo. It's most painful when you forget something simple like parentheses on a function, just a small letter character on an API URL string, or your route directory when importing a file. So it looks similar enough that it looks like you didn't make a typo, but you just can't pinpoint exactly where you missed it. So you'll need to carefully look at typo errors. Using frameworks that are extremely similar but have some slight differences, for example, HTML and CSS versus React and JavaScript. React and JSX, where you have class and class name. You just might not know that they're that similar but slightly different. You also need to make sure to stop and run your server sometimes, restart your server. That'll fix a lot of problems. The other thing is you might have written some awesome code, but then you didn't import it yourself. So the file's not found, you know it's there on your computer, but you just didn't import it into your own file. Or you made a typo on it, like we said before. The last thing is, there are some things that just simply don't work, and if you're not lucky, then no, you might be one of the first people to run into it, and there won't be any posts about it, but they simply don't work, and you'll just need to at some point call it quits and try something else.